another high-profile one is Billie Eilish, suing AI generated music for trying to well, for using her likeness, and John Bon Jovi as well. He got involved with it.
Yeah.
So those are two high-profile names that they're basically trying to sue AI music generators for
Yeah.
training on their music.
We've been messing around, haven't we, in the office with this new AI music platform called Udio.
Hmm.
It is good fun. It was free. You have to pay for it now. But one of the things that we were looking at, weren't we, is like this we made like a sort of a classical Lord of the Rings style piece, and some of it did sound like it was just taken from a Lord of the Rings score.
Hmm.
So we were looking, weren't we, on the site to see if they disclosed where or how or the materials that the platform used to learn. And it was just so vague. It was just literally one line on the website that said, "We do not use copyright materials for learning."
Yep.
And because these are private companies, like there's nothing to compel them to disclose this information. And you mentioned the US trying to tackle the issue, and I think that's one of the things that they're gonna aim to do. I think there's a congressman who's put forward this bill that will force AI companies to disclose their sources, which is going to be really interesting. And it makes you wonder, like, how bad it actually is behind closed doors.